Today I am going to document cheat codes on Citra, or a version of Citra called Borked 3DS. But I'm sure these steps will also work for all the other versions of Citra and the forks, okay? This game we are playing today is called Ocarina of Time 3D for the 3DS. And we are using Borked 3DS. We are also using Linux, but this will work exactly the same for Windows. First thing I would like to document is Ocarina of Time 3D. We select the game, we click on Properties, and then we are going to go over to Cheats. And you see all these cheats that I have enabled. Most of them work, but some of them don't. Magic Bar Always Full works. Breath of the Wild Side remote bombs works, which is really cool. Unlock all shields, swords, suits. This works. Unlock largest quiver, largest bomb bag. Glove, golden scale. That worked. 100 gold Skulltulas works. Infinite time in the heat. This works. Moon jump does not work. I'm disappointed. Epona moon jump, I have not tried that, but if the moon jump number 1 doesn't work, I expect that not to work as well. Also, hold X to run fast. This cheat did not work. Max bombs works, which is also infinite bombs. This is what they mean. Max arrows, this works. I have not returned to Childhood Link. But I assume that will work, not too complicated. The main reason I was using cheats is because I had a glitch in my emulation where I could not do the Biggoron Sword quest. And every time I would try to give the saw in the Gerudo Valley back to the man, I would get a glitch and it would freeze my game and I'd have to start all over. So therefore, I had to explore cheats so I could continue the game. So instead, one of the cheats up there was have all items. And this cheat right here, Giant's Knife Never Breaks. The Giant's Knife is the same thing as the Biggoron Sword, only it breaks. But if you install this cheat, it'll be exactly the same as the Biggoron Sword, and it will be a workaround for the glitch of not having the ability to complete the Biggoron Sword quest. Also, I noticed when I applied some of these cheats, my wallet decreased back to the 99 wallet. And I already did my wallet upgrades through the Skulltula quest. So I had to use this cheat, the 500 rubies cheat. And after I enabled that, my rubies went back to normal. So this is pretty much my documentation of the cheats. But I wanted to show you further documentation how to do these cheats in Citra or Borked 3DS or any of the Citra forks. By clicking Add Cheat, you can go over here to GitHub or anywhere else that you can acquire all the cheat codes, and you can copy a cheat. Let's say Max Deku Sticks, which I have not enabled or put yet. I'm going to copy it here in the notes. Unnecessary step, but just a temporary one. And we're going to cut the title. We're going to post it into the name box. The second step is we're going to take the code. We're going to cut it again, and we're going to put it in the code box. Next, we're going to click Save. And now we have the cheat enabled. And then you can click the button to enable it or disable it. What this is doing behind the scenes is this is enabling or editing or creating a file within the Citra file system directory, and it will enable or disable these cheats. In a future video, if I can show you where these files exist and how this graphical user interface interacts with that file. Thank you for watching my video.